Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to get bald head filter on TikTok mobile. So inside of TikTok here is no bald effect, so you have to open your Instagram app or Snapchat. So right now I'm using with my Instagram, so I'm gonna tapping on this plus icon and tapping reel, and now all you have to do is just tap on filter, tap on the search icon and type here bald, and now you can select any bald filter from this list. So select any of them and you have to record your video using this bald filter and download the video from your Instagram, and then you have to upload the video on your TikTok. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.